Okay, welcome back to part 3 of the portfolio of evidence for cloud development. So for part 3, there wasn't much to change in terms of the code base itself. So I'll just be quickly displaying what exactly I have changed. Most of the functionalities have been kept. And as you can see, what is new is this filter booking section in the bookings view. So we will create a few bookings for Bright and Blossom, just so I can show you the filter functionality that was implemented for part 3. So there will be a cut for that. So if you'll just give me a moment and I will make like 3 bookings for that, and then I'll show you the filter functionality behind that. Okay, and just like that, all three events have been booked for Bright and Blossom, as you can see at the events view. So we've got our venue name and our event type, got our dates, our client details, all of the same functionalities also in the current bookings section. So yes, now we will select the venue and I'll just show you how this looks for a venue with no bookings at the moment. We'll apply it for this ballroom venue. As you can see, every date is available. Now if we were to select Bright and Blossom, and we'll have it from, let's say, the 15th of June up until the 15th of July. Okay, apply filter. Just like that, we can now see which dates are booked, for what event type they are booked, as well as the customer name for who the event has been booked. I think that looks pretty neat. In terms of the code base, there wasn't a lot of adjustments to be made. Like if we go to the index of the bookings view, we can just see that this part alone is the filter section. As you can see, just a few buttons and methods and variables that we took over from the bookings view model right here. We took these filter properties, we added those in, and then for the bookings controller, we can see, let me just quickly find this again, where exactly this was. And yep, here we go. If the filter is applied, generate date range statuses. That is all that was added for the filter functionality for part 3 of the portfolio of evidence for cloud development. There was no need to tinker around in the database to just filter out simple details of a venue and their book dates. So, apologies that this took a while to get out. There were a few issues with the database. It was taken down and it caused a few problems and hurdles in terms of just getting everything to work again. But everything is back up and running. Everything's 100%. Uh, the rest of this POE, or the rest of this part of the POE, is a report, and that is also submitted. And I have to say, this project was challenging, but I did learn a lot. Um, I did enjoy some parts of this project, and I do believe I have delivered a good end product. And with that, thank you for watching.